Welcome to the Kiefer's Hot Rod Shop YouTube channel. I'm Nick Kiefer. Hey everybody, just wanted to give y'all an update. It's been a little while since my last video and I'm currently working on the next one. Actually, you can see that I've got all of the main hoop plain funny car bars out of the Nova right now, and I'm doing some final fit up. I've got that stuff laid out over here, and I have to rebend one bar to make it fit just right. And then I've got the other tubes here, and I'm working on fitting those up right now. Also been messing around with wiring for the Cutlass just a little bit. Right now it's just laying over the stuff for the Nova, but I've just been going through and looking at wiring and measuring wires and figuring out how I want to change some things. This is my main Holly harness. I'll have a video coming up on all of this after the next Nova video. Also, give y'all a little garden update. So it's been raining here for like 3 days. It was like a gray weekend, and now it's Memorial Day. Hope y'all are enjoying that and having a nice Memorial Day. But the sun has come out and it is shining down on all the plants. Got a tomato plant going here, looking good. Got a bean plant, and it's got beans under it. The peppers are starting to grow. I started these inside in those little trays, and actually got a grape plant. My grandma dropped that off, as well as this tomato and bean plant. She saw I was doing vegetables and wanted to join in the fun, so that's awesome. They're actually, that vine's starting to grow. I need to line it up with a trellis pretty soon so it can go on and on as it wants to. The watermelon, I ended up, I've had some animals digging around in here, so I ended up putting these short tomato trellises on there to protect them. And also this bed's kind of low, and so in the rain it's been like filling up with water, so I dug this little ditch here. But probably should have made it higher and made some kind of mounds for these, but they're growing, so we'll see how they do. The Fairmont's awkwardly sitting in the middle of the driveway here. Decided to lose the starter about a half hour past midnight a few nights ago, and then it rained for the next 3 days, so I was able to get a new one, but haven't been able to put it in yet. Also, for Memorial Day, I installed this nice decal with the channel logo. If any of you guys ever see me in person out at a track or anything, hit me up. Sometimes I carry these with me. But I hope y'all are having a nice Memorial Day, remembering the men and women we've lost in service, and just enjoying the day. It's really nice here, and I hope y'all have some nice weather where you're at too. But regardless, hope y'all take care, and looking forward to seeing y'all next time, or looking forward to you seeing me next time. Plenty of stuff to check out on the Cutlass. I'm going to be working on setting this motor up in the other car pretty soon, I think. I've got motor plates and stuff. Plenty of parts coming in. That's just kind of mocked up on there. I actually had S&W race cars build that custom out of aluminum. It's a steel one that they keep in stock, but I wanted aluminum, and they're nice enough to water jet that for me, and it looks really nice. I also got this really nice front plate from ICT Billet through Summit Racing, and I was delighted to find that it cleared my nice timing cover perfectly, and all the bolt holes lined up really nicely on this one as well as the other one. So I'll be shaping this in an upcoming video when I fit this in the car. I also got this gorgeous upper torque box for the Cutlass. welds are just amazing on this thing. Came from Maryland Racing. Really nice looking piece. Really stoked to weld that into the car. So that's something coming up. We'll be mocking this up in the other car. A little hint to what I'm doing with this thing in an upcoming video. Maybe you know what that is, but I'll be explaining it really soon. So hope y'all tune in for that. Until then, take care and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.